How to do, feed a kitten. Kittens have special dietary needs. Here are some tips for providing your kitten with a nutritious meal plan. Instructions. Step 1. Feed the kitten only 2 meals a day when it reaches 6 months old. Step 2. Continue feeding the kitten growth cat food until it is 1 year old. Then switch to regular maintenance cat food and reduce feedings to 1 meal a day. Did you know, cats have scent glands all along their bodies? Step 3. Add other types of commercial cat food after the kitten is about 2 months old. Step 4. Feed the kitten several flavors of kitten food, mixing the new flavors into the old ones as you introduce them. The taste preferences developed as a kitten remain with the cat for the rest of its life. Quick tip: kittens should be allowed to feed on their mother's milk exclusively for the first 4 to 6 weeks. Step 5. Divide the daily amount of food into several small portions and feed the kitten at regular intervals throughout the day. Quick tip: do not allow canned cat food to spoil. Avoid leaving it out too long. Step 6. Feed the kitten a mixture of kitten or growth formula, mixed with water or cat milk replacement when weaning. Feed the kitten regularly and frequently. Transition completely to kitten food by the time the cat is 10 weeks old.